Microsoft 365 Copilot. The Copilot, powered by GPT-4 from OpenAI, will sit alongside Microsoft 365 apps much like an assistant. It is embedded in the Microsoft 365 apps people use every day: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams and more. Business Chat works across the LLM, the Microsoft 365 apps, and a customer's calendar, emails, chats, documents, meetings and contacts to do things that people weren't able to do before. With natural language prompts like "Tell my team how we updated the product strategy," Business Chat will generate a status update based on the morning's meetings, emails and chat threads. Microsoft 365 Copilot is seamlessly integrated in the apps people use every day, helping them stay in the flow of work and freeing them to focus more on the task at hand and less on the busy work. Copilot in Word writes, edits, summarizes and creates right alongside people as they work. Copilot in PowerPoint enables the creation process by turning ideas into a designed presentation through natural language commands. Copilot in Excel helps unlock insights, identify trends or create professional-looking data visualizations in a fraction of the time. Copilot in Outlook can help synthesize and manage the inbox to allow more time to be spent on actually communicating. Copilot in Teams makes meetings more productive with real-time summaries and action items directly in the context of the conversation. Copilot in Power Platform will help developers of all skill levels accelerate and streamline development with low-code tools with the introduction of 2 new capabilities within Power Apps and Power Virtual Agents. Business Chat brings together data from across documents, presentations, email, calendar, notes and contacts to help summarize chats, write emails, find key dates or even write a plan based on other project files. That means Excel users can use Copilot to instantly create a SWOT analysis or a pivot table based on data. In Microsoft Teams, the Copilot feature can transcribe meetings, remind you of things you might have missed if you joined late, or even summarize action items throughout a meeting. Copilot will also exist in Outlook, so you can spend less time deleting emails and responding. Email threads can be summarized, and Copilot can even create draft responses with toggles to adapt the tone or length of an email. How it works. Copilot uses grounding to improve the quality of the prompts it's given. If you ask Word to create a document based on your data, Copilot will send that prompt to the Microsoft Graph to retrieve the context and data before modifying the prompt and sending it to the GPT-4 large language model. The response then gets sent to the Microsoft Graph for additional grounding, security and compliance checks, before sending the response and commands back to Microsoft 365 apps. GitHub data shows that Copilot promises to unlock productivity for everyone. Among developers who use GitHub Copilot, 88% say they are more productive, 74% say that they can focus on more satisfying work, and 77% say it helps them spend less time searching for information or examples. Copilot makes you better at what you're good at and lets you quickly master what you've yet to learn. The average person uses only a handful of commands, such as animate a slide or insert a table, from the thousands available across Microsoft 365. Now, all that rich functionality is unlocked using just natural language. And this is only the beginning. Copilot will fundamentally change how people work with AI and how AI works with people. As with any new pattern of work, there's a learning curve, but those who embrace this new way of working will quickly gain an edge.